how to create shipping zone on Shopify. So first, go to your Shopify admin dashboard here, and then click on the settings at the bottom. And then just click on shipping and delivery. And then look for your custom shipping rates. Click on this one. And then just scroll down and look for shipping zones. Click on add shipping zone. And then just choose this shipping zone name. So for me, I'll just say international. Then you can choose countries or regions that you want to ship to. So for me, let's just say I want Asia. Then just click on done. And as you can see, now I've added or created a shipping zone. And just click on save after that. And let's go back. Check again, and yep, there it is. I've just created my own shipping zone. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.